Hey guys, this is the last video of the course. What we're going to do this time is to apply the plugin in order to prepare the model to be printed. Actually, this is a quite simple step. If you've carefully followed all the steps, you'll find it a piece of cake. So go to Set Plugin, and there you'll find the 3D Print Exporter plugin. Open it and select millimeters. Then press Update Size Radius. Now we're going to export it as STL. If you click on Advanced Options, more parameters will be displayed. However, these won't be necessary in this case, as we are just going to print our model. Under the millimeter options, there are other parameters that can be modified. So click on Update and then on STL. This is the standard format used for 3D printing. Some software may accept OBJ, but the standard is STL. So press STL and save the model. Lastly, as a conclusion, I would like to mention some software for 3D printing, which is Simplified 3D, Slicer, which is the one I'm gonna use. I like this one because it's free and works quite well. Guys, what I'm telling you now is additional stuff. It's not closely related to the course itself, but I thought it could be interesting. This is more related to the printing process, so those involved in this process may be interested in it. It's just an introduction, though. So I opened up the model, and here you'll find the print settings. It's better if you know how to adjust these parameters in order to get a good result. So, however, as I just said, you probably won't need to know all this stuff, since the models are usually printed by professionals or experts. So if I click on Preview, we can see that the definition is quite low, so we should increase it. Apart from these details, the object can be printed. So first the base, then the superior part of the base. Some areas need to be fixed from the print settings, filament settings, and printer settings tabs, okay? All these. Perhaps it's better if we open another model, so I'll close it. Because I think a simpler model is better. Also, the software runs very slow, so I'm gonna open it again. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. This is the default model of set brush. To rotate it, just right-click and press Rotate around X-axis. 90, for example. Oops, again. And this time 180. Now wait until this green bar at the right button is fully loaded. Otherwise, we won't be able to work properly. Okay, so we need to wait. If we go to Print Settings, we could increase the general size the infill. We can also change the shape. If I set the fill density at 40 and choose honeycomb option for fill pattern, okay, let's see what happens. See, it has a honeycomb shape. So this shape can be modified from the print settings. Let's choose octagram spiral. Great, and this is the infill shape. We can apply these parameters to our own models to get a good printed version. Let's choose now 3D honeycomb, for instance. See, the number of layers is also relevant here, because this printed software works with layers, although there may be other ways. See, these are the layers, so these layers can be modified. Obviously, the more detail, the more slowed down will run the program, okay? Also, when the model is selected, it turns to green. It can also be scaled, okay? For example, let's set it to 150. See? So guys, I really hope that you liked the course. And well, see you in the next one.